Hi everyone, welcome to Smile Tech Apps. Today I will show you what is the DirectX version in Windows 11 and to check if the latest DirectX supports in your system. First, click the search button, then type DHDIAG. Yeah. So before this tool opens, there will be a small pop-up window which will ask for check for WHQL digital signature. Just select yes. Now if you see based on my system configuration, it says I'm running a Windows 11 Pro 64-bit 10.0 build 22,000. Okay, and my DirectX version is showing as DirectX 12. Okay, so as soon as the displays here, don't be happy. There is one more step that we need to check. So I just go to the next page, okay, which is the display page. Now, if you see my system is the Surface Pro 3, which comes with Intel HD standard graphics card inbuilt. There is no external graphics card here. So if you see, it says my memory is 2000 MB and stuff. So if I come here, DirectX features says direct draw acceleration enabled, direct 3D acceleration enabled, AGB touch acceleration enabled, DirectX 12 Ultimate. You see this? It shows is disabled. It depends on each system. It depends on the graphic card. So if you have a good latest graphic card, it will show as enabled here. Okay, fine. So this is what I wanted to explain you. I will click exit and thanks for watching the video. How to update the missing DirectX drivers in Windows 11. So first, go to the browser, type DirectX, click on this Microsoft website, click on download. It will start downloading a file called DirectX Web. So just select yes. This pop-up opens. I say accept the agreement. Next, I will uncheck install the Bing bar. Next, so it is checking like are there any missing DirectX components in your system. So just wait for it to respond. So I think it is yes. If you see, it is telling that there are some optional components that you can install, which is around 93.93 MB. So I click next. Okay, it is kind of not responding. Let's wait for the Windows 11 to respond. Yes. If you see, it is downloading DirectX packages. If you see the here, uh, it is the download of the old DirectX software, which are required to run certain games. So if you see from 2007 we have landed now to 2009. It's come to 2010, 2005 again. So if some of your games are not running, let's say like old games like say NFS or say other uh, vendor games such as say Hitman or GT Vice City, etc. You can just install the DirectX and try running the game. Okay, so it has finished downloading. Now it is in process of installing it. So we are almost at the end of installation. So if you see there are a lot of like H9, which means DirectX 10, DirectX 11, DirectX 12. So once this is installed, this you'll have the updated DirectX files in your system. So if you see, it says the components installed are now ready to use. Now let's just try running the DirectX. Let's see if it shows any additional information. Sorry. So the T code is DHDIG. Press enter. Anyway, it will not show any other information. It will just show the DirectX, right? Correct. So if I come here, yeah, again it is disabled here. Driver module is 2.0. Okay, I think that's fine. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you liked.